कटियाबाजी के बारे में थोड़ा ये बात करना चाहता हूँ कि कटियाबाजी जो अपने आप में जो लफ्ज़ है, इट इम्प्लाइज सम ब्रवाडो, एक अदा होती है कटियाबाजी, जो कि ये आदमी लोहा सिंह बहुत अच्छी तरीके से साक्षात करते हैं। तो ये फिल्म लोहा सिंह के बारे में है, जो असल में कानपुर के रहने वाले हैं और असल में कटियाबाज हैं, और किस तरीके से ये एक तरीके से कानपुर की भी कहानी है। तो कानपुर जैसे कई छोटे शहरों जिन्हें टियर 2, टियर 3 सिटीज़ का नाम देके अनाथ अपाहिज करके छोड़ दिया जाता है कई जगहों पे, उनकी भी कहानी है कि किस तरीके से ये इस बहुत बड़ी क्राइसिस से जूझ रहे हैं और स्टिल दे कम ऑन टॉप।
Katyabaz actually happened. The story was about Kanpur. The film was about the city. But when you go there, there's a tangled web of wires. और ये मतलब you know that there's a story in there, and that's what we were trying to tell with this film.
हम 1.5 साल तक कानपुर में थे, तो continuously we were shooting for 1.5 years. It was really crazy a lot of times, you know. कई बार we were shooting with crowds of 400 people surrounding the film. So it was really interesting, but it was also a lot of interaction with the people in the city itself, you know. Sometimes it would get really scary, like when we were in the middle of the riots, when we were in the middle of transformers exploding, etc., etc. But I think the citizens of Kanpur played such a big role in making this movie possible that it's hats off to them. This year, when Vikram saw the film, we did a small screening in Bombay, and Vikram came for that screening, and it was really cool. Right after the film, he just said that they wanted to be a part of it, and for us there was nothing better, you know, because such a visionary bunch of filmmakers to be a part of that was just so exciting and amazing for us.
Film that's far more entertaining, far more engaging. As like you said, it's like a thriller. You can't really choose right and wrong, but you're sort of entertained and engaged throughout the end. It's a wonderful film, and that's exactly why I said let's just put our muscle behind it, whatever we can, and put it out there. And we're very proud of the film, and I think they made a fantastic film.
So Loha was a very chance find. We were actually supposed to shoot with a different Katyabaz before that, but he developed cold feet at the last moment, being in front of the camera, so he backed out. And initially our crew was coming in from Austria, so they were here, and everybody was sitting around, and we suddenly didn't have a main character to shoot with. And then we met Loha Singh, and he came up to us and he said, "You want to see something cool?" And he sort of took us to this transformers. He rearranged a few wires, and that transformer just sort of, you know, exploded.
That's in the film also.
That was actually the first time when we met Loha Singh, and we just knew right then, and just the way that he presented himself. He's not very tall, but he presents himself to be this giant of a man who's stomping around Kanpur, attaching katiyas, helping the poor and stuff. So he's a very engaging character.
When we first started making the film, this was 2011. हमें बहुत शुरू में we decided that this is a film that we want to bring to Indian audiences. So often films like this, they travel the festival circuit. ये यूरोप में, नॉर्थ अमेरिका में लोग appreciate करते हैं और ये वहीं रह जाती हैं. They come out on PBS and Arta, and that's their life. We were very conscious that this is a film that we want to bring back home. And honestly, I don't know, we don't have a plan B. We've just been working hard to bring it to theaters, and you know, this is possibly the best thing that could have happened to us in terms of getting a release.
ऐसी ही कई इंटरेस्टिंग बातों के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए बॉलीवुड वाला को. डू शेयर योर फीडबैक्स, कमेंट ऑन आवर स्टोरीज, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द स्टोरीज.